ChitChat English.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to buy a shirt.
Great. What size do you wear?
I think medium.
What color do you like?
This one, I like blue. How much is it?
It's $200.
That's a bit expensive. Can I get a discount?
Today we have a 10% discount.
Oh, nice.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, where is the changing room?
It's over there. How is the shirt?
It looks nice. But is there another model?
Yes, we have a sleeveless one too. It's a new model.
Is it a standard size?
Yes, it suits you well too.
What is it made of?
It's 100% cotton.
That's good. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Great. I'll take this one.
Perfect. I'll pack it for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Okay, the shirt is $200.
And you said 10% discount, right?
Yes, so the final price is $180.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Tap or insert your card, please.
Done.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt. Here is your shirt and your bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hello.
Hi. I want a haircut.
Okay, please sit down.
Thank you.
How do you want your hair?
Short on the sides.
And the top?
A little long, please.
Okay. Do you want a fade?
Yes, a low fade.
Do you want to cut your beard?
No, thank you. Just the hair.
Do you want gel?
Yes, a little gel.
Okay, let's start. Do you like it?
Yes. It looks good.
Do you want to wash your hair?
No, it's okay.
The haircut is 15s.
I'll pay by cash. Here is $20.
Thank you. Here is $5 change.
Thank you.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hi.
Hi. I'm sorry. I'm a little late.
It's okay. I just came.
Wow. Are these for me?
Yes. 101 roses for the most beautiful girl.
Oh my God. They are so beautiful. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. You look very pretty tonight.
Thank you. You look nice too.
Look at the stars.
The sky looks so beautiful.
Do you come here often?
No, only with you.
You're so sweet.
I'm happy you're here.
I'm happy too. Are you cold?
A little.
Here, take my jacket.
Thank you.
Did you like the park?
Yes, I loved everything.
I'm happy you liked it.
You're always so kind.
Because I care about you.
You make me smile.
We're almost at your home.
Okay. Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
And thank you for the 101 roses.
You deserve even more.
Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams.
Drive safe.
I will. Bye, see you.
Bye. See you.